Hi, my name is Rudy Cromwell, and I am the founder and CEO of Reemerging Spirits Life Warriors. It was created to empower resilient female entrepreneurs to courageously reemerge and rise in both life and their business, because I'm a firm believer that the two are synonymous. They go hand in hand. And today I would love to dive into the topic with you of setting your goals with a vision board. So, what is a vision board? Sometimes people aren't quite sure what that is. And the quick, easy answer is it's just a collection of images, words, quotes, objects, and ideas that help you visualize your goals and achieve your dreams by harnessing the power of the law of attraction. And this came about, and vision boards kind of became popular and mainstream a little over 17 years ago when the movie The Secret first came out. Because the whole movie is about the law of attraction. That idea that we literally can will the things we want into existence and into our lives by putting a lot of thought into it. And that's been going on for centuries. A lot of practitioners and meditation and manifesting all comes from this idea of the law of attraction, and it's been going on forever. It is nowhere near a new concept. And many people that we look up to, athletes, celebrities, also use this law of attraction via vision boards. People we know and love like Oprah and LeBron James all swear by vision boards and do this. So it's not just woo-woo and some mystical weird thing out there. And there is a lot of scientific proof about why the law of attraction works. And very simply, author Stephen Covey says, all things are created twice. The first time is the mental creation when you have the idea or the thought. And the second time it's created is when you create the actual physical thing. So that's kind of where that vision board comes in. It's the link between creating it mentally the first time and creating it physically the second time. The law of attraction allows people to manifest their ideal life. It helps us focus on abundance instead of lack. So basically, it's just pointing all your vibes and all your attention in the positive, right direction. And who doesn't need more of that in their life? Vision boards, again, this is another reason of why they really do work and why they're so important for your goal setting, is vision boards prime your brain to recognize opportunity. Like, that's one of the main reasons. It's because our brain has this process called value tagging. And what that means is the more you think of something or the more you focus on something, it imprints those important things into your subconscious. And once it's locked into your subconscious, you're going to make better choices to work towards that. Or if it's locked in your subconscious, you're actually going to see opportunities that you might have missed otherwise. It just opens the flood doors to you for more opportunities to come into your sphere of being. It helps you think more about the life you actually desire, as I said, instead of focusing on what you don't have. And that's always good for any situation. Visual representation of your dreams and where you hope your life will take you is the ultimate goal of the vision board. And again, you've probably heard this saying before. I didn't make it up. But what you think, you become, right? So you want to be thinking positive things, more abundant things, good things. And the vision board and being able to see all the things you're working towards manifesting on a daily basis helps you keep focused on your why. And the why is really why we do anything in life. The why is to, grow and become a better person. Our why is to be able to provide love and security for our friends and family. Our why is that thing outside of us that's bigger than us, and it's our driving force in life. And a vision board will help you continue to focus on your why. Also, vision boards are completely artistic, and this is probably my favorite part of all. Many of you know I'm kind of crafty myself. I love a good DIY. So the fact that vision boards are so completely artistic and can be totally personalized to you is one of my favorite parts of it. And it, again, is another reason of why setting your goals through a vision board is just fun and it's personal to you. So it's really going to resonate and hit home. There's no rules in creating the vision board. So some examples. If you're inspired by literature and things that you read, your vision board can have a lot more little sayings and anecdotes and quotes on it. But if you're more like me and you're more visual and crafty, you're going to want to use a lot of pictures and images and colors. I'm inspired by colors. I love bright colors. So I'm going to make sure my vision board has a lot of bright colors on it. Another example is if you're kind of that fun, crazy, crafty person, you may want to do it all collage style where it's all over the place. But if you're more of a minimalist, then you can have more nicely framed, set out pictures or little quotes, kind of more on a like a storyboard type vibe or look. That's going to be a lot more clean and minimalist, and that's going to resonate and vibe with you because it's going to be neat and clean and tidy. And like I said, there are no rules. How you decide to set that up is totally up to you. So if you currently don't have a vision board yet for this year, and that's something you're deciding like, yeah, I want to implement a vision board this year, I would love for you to join me for my vision board workshop where we are going to actually walk through the whole process of creating the vision board. And I'm going to give you all sorts of options and different ways you can do it to cover all those different ways that we may want to personalize it. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, come and join me. I will put the link to my vision board workshop in the description below. I would love to have you register and come and join us. It is free, so don't worry about that. And we are just going to talk all things vision board and goal setting. So I hope you found value in this. I've really enjoyed putting together this video for you today. And I just always love to leave everybody with this little quip: reemerge and rise, my warriors, because warriors do it better. Until next time, we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.